Hello students, the question given here is if alpha, beta and gamma are three consecutive terms of a non-constant GB such that the equations alpha x square plus 2 beta x plus gamma is equals to 0 and x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 0 have a common root, then alpha into beta plus gamma is equals to. So we have alpha, beta, gamma. These are in GB. So alpha is first term, beta is second term, and gamma is the third term because alpha, beta, gamma are three consecutive terms of GB. Now let common ratio of GP is common ratio of GP is R. So if first term is alpha, first term A is alpha of GP, then second term is beta. So beta will be, if common ratio is R, beta will be alpha times R. And similarly, the third term gamma will be equals to alpha times of R square. Now, therefore, the three terms in GP will be alpha, alpha R into alpha R square. Now, it is given that we have given two quadratic equations. First one is alpha x square plus 2 beta x plus gamma is equals to 0. Now put the values of beta and gamma in this equation. This will be alpha x square plus 2 into beta is alpha r. Alpha r into x plus gamma is alpha r square. Alpha r square is equals to 0. Now taking alpha common, we get x square plus 2rx plus r square is equals to 0. Now if we see, this is x square, let x square, this term is, if this is a square, this is b square, then this will be 2ab. That means that this will be the formula for a plus b whole square. Therefore, we can write this as, this equation can be written as x plus r whole square is equals to 0. That means we have x is equals to minus r, means both the values of x means root will be equals to minus r. Therefore, first quadratic equation which was given in the question is alpha x square plus 2 beta x plus gamma is equals to 0. So, its root is x is equals to minus r. Now, we have been given second quadratic equation as x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 0, and it is given that both these quadratic equations have a common root. So, we have a root of this equation alpha x square plus 2 beta x plus gamma is equals to 0. Now, since both the quadratic equation have a common root, therefore x is equals to minus r will satisfy the second quadratic equation also. So, the second quadratic equation given is x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus r will satisfy this equation because this is a common root. So, putting x is equals to minus r, this will become r square minus r minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, the value of r square will be equals to r plus 1. Let this be equation number 1. Now, we have been given that we have to evaluate the value of alpha into beta plus gamma. And we have been given 4 options. So, let me write the 4 options first. First option which is given is, first is the value of alpha into beta plus gamma is beta gamma. Second option given was 0. Third option which is given is alpha into gamma, and fourth option given is alpha into beta. Now we have to calculate that the value of alpha into beta plus gamma. So if we see alpha into beta plus gamma, we have alpha into beta plus gamma. Alpha is, we will put alpha as it is. Beta was alpha into r plus gamma is alpha r square. Now taking alpha common, so this will become alpha into beta plus gamma. The value of this will become alpha square into r plus r square. Now we will check the value of alpha into beta plus gamma from the options. If we take first option, let first option is beta gamma, and we have to prove that alpha into beta plus gamma value is beta gamma. Now let us check the first option. First option is First option is beta into gamma. Let us check whether this value is coming to this or not. So beta gamma. Beta was alpha into r, and gamma is alpha into r square. So this will be equals to alpha square into r square. So this will be equals to alpha square into r into the value of r square will be from equation number 1. This will be r square is equals to r plus 1. So we will put here r plus 1. So this will become alpha square into r square plus r. Now therefore if we see that the value which we have solved of alpha into beta plus gamma was alpha square into r plus r square. Let this be equation number 2. Now we are getting beta into gamma as alpha square into r square plus r, which was equals to this value from equation number 2 is equals to alpha into beta plus gamma. Therefore we can say that the value of alpha into beta plus gamma is coming out beta into gamma because beta gamma is also alpha square into r square plus r, and alpha into beta plus gamma is also alpha square into r plus r square. Therefore, this is the correct answer. The value of alpha into beta plus gamma is equals to beta into gamma. So we have option number 1 is the correct answer. Since if we check option number 2, alpha into beta plus gamma is not coming as 0, and if we multiply alpha into gamma, so alpha is this alpha and gamma is alpha r square. So this will come out to be alpha square into r square, which is not equals to alpha into beta plus gamma. And if we do alpha into beta, then alpha square into r will come, which is not equals to alpha into beta plus gamma. Therefore, the value will be beta into gamma, as we have proved here that alpha into beta plus gamma is equals to this value. So this will be the required solution. Thank you, students.
हे गाइस, हमें इसमें दो इक्वेशंस दिए हुए, दो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस दिया हुआ है, एक ये और एक ये। हमें ये भी कहा हुआ है कि इन दोनों के पास रूट्स जो है वो कॉमन है, यानी दोनों के रूट सेम है। तो हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है a/b/c की। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसमें जैसे जानते हैं कि पहली इक्वेशन हमें क्या दिया हुआ है। पहली इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है हमारे को x² + 2x + 3 = 0। तो यहाँ से हम सबसे पहले निकाल लेंगे डी क्या आएगा हमारे पास b² - 4ac। जब हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो डी की वैल्यू हमारे पास आएगी नेगेटिव। तो डी की वैल्यू जब नेगेटिव आएगी तो इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि इक्वेशन हैज इमेजिनरी रूट। इक्वेशन के पास हमारे कितने कौन से रूट है, इमेजिनरी रूट्स हैं। तो जब इक्वेशन के पास इमेजिनरी, और हमें ये कहा हुआ है कि ये इक्वेशन और ये इक्वेशन दोनों के रूट कॉमन है। तो इसका मतलब ax² + b(x) + c = 0। ये इक्वेशन और ये इक्वेशन के पास क्या है, रूट कॉमन है। इसके पास इमेजिनरी रूट है, तो हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, a/1 b/2 = c/3। तो यहाँ से हमारे पास रेशियो क्या आ जाएगा, a/b/c 1:2:3। ये हमारा आंसर है। थैंक यू।